preparation of alcohol. The first one, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next one, Markovnikov addition reaction. Then Grignard addition. Then hydroboration. Then reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone. The next one, by use of Pay's reagent. Pay's reagent, preparation of glycol. Then glycerol can be prepared from the glyceryl triester. That means called a saponification process. Saponification process. The seventh method, it is used to preparation of alcohols, aliphatic alcohols. First one, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophile. SN1, SN2 reactions are there. Nucleophilic substitution, alkyl halide can be converted to alcohol. For example, ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2Cl, react with sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Ethyl chloride react with sodium hydroxide, Na plus and OH minus. OH minus is a nucleophile. The nucleophile substitute in the place of chlorine in alkyl chloride gives CH3, CH2, OH plus NaCl removed. In primary alkyl halide can be converted into primary alkyl alcohol. Means this reaction follow the SN2 reaction. 2 stands for bimolecular, N stands for nucleophile, S stands for substitution. So bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Primary alkyl halide can be converted to primary alkyl alcohol, follow the SN2 reaction. Secondary and tertiary alkyl halide can be converted into secondary and tertiary alkyl alcohol, follow the SN1 reaction. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. For example, in the isopropyl chloride, CH3 bond Cl, react with sodium hydroxide. The sodium hydroxide dissociated to form of Na plus and OH minus. OH minus acts as a nucleophile. The nucleophile substitute in the place of chlorine in isopropyl chloride to form isopropyl alcohol, CH3 bond OH plus NaCl, isopropyl alcohol. So isopropyl chloride or tertiary butyl chloride react with sodium hydroxide to form of isopropyl alcohol or tertiary butyl alcohol, follow the SN1 reaction. Primary alkyl halide converted into primary alkyl alcohol, follow the SN2 reaction. SN2 means stands for bimolecular nucleophilic substitution. SN1 stands for unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. It is depend upon the number of order. In this reaction follow the second order kinetics. In this reaction follow the first order kinetics, second order and first order. It is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next one, Markovnikov addition reaction. Propene can be converted into N-propyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. Markovnikov rule. Propene, CH3, CH double bond CH2, propene. The propene react with H2O in presence of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. The sulfuric acid is used to dissociate or decompose the water molecule. The water dissociated to form of H plus and OH minus. OH minus as a nucleophile. H plus is a proton. In the OH minus, otherwise called negative part of the addendum. OH minus, otherwise called negative part of the addendum. The negative part of the addendum attach itself carbon having less number of hydrogen known as Markovnikov rule. So what is Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov rule? What is meaning of Markovnikov rule? In the single compound of hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide or hydrogen iodide is a react with unsymmetric alkene to form of alkyl halide, or the water molecule react with propane or unsymmetric alkene to form of alkyl alcohol, follow the Markovnikov rule. So what is the definition of Markovnikov rule? Negative part of the addendum attach itself carbon having less number of hydrogen. The compound contain totally how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3 carbons are there. In the first carbon can be named as the methyl, second carbon methane, third carbon methylene. In the OH group is directly attached with carbon-carbon double bond. Between the two carbon, which carbon has a less number of hydrogen? CH, only one hydrogens are there. And then methylene carbon contain 2 hydrogens are there. Negative part of the addendum OH minus ion. The negative part of the addendum attach itself carbon having less number of hydrogen to give isopropyl alcohol. So CH3, 1 CH, 1 OH, 1 CH3. This reaction, Markovnikov addition reaction. So negative part of the addendum attach itself carbon having less number of hydrogen, follow the Markovnikov. So propene can be converted to isopropyl alcohol. In OH minus ion is the negative part of the addendum. The negative part of the addendum attach the is a less number of carbon, less number of hydrogen atom of carbon CH to give the isopropyl alcohol. Another one, in the next one, Grignard addition. In the alcohol of primary, secondary, tertiary, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol can be prepared from the formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone respectively. For example, phenyl magnesium bromide C6H5MgX react with formaldehyde H bond C double bond O bond H. C6H5 is a phenyl group. In the phenyl group directly attack on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom. Carbon oxygen bond break. Both lone pair of electron move towards the oxygen side. Gives H bond C O minus H in then C6H5. Here magnesium valency 2 plus. 1 plus valency set by X minus. Another one plus valency set by C6H5 minus. So C6H5 minus can be named as the phenyl anion. Phenyl anion otherwise called nucleophile. The nucleophile directly attack on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom to form of a unstable compound of ADAT. O minus can be combined with MgX, or in Cl means MgCl. The magnesium and oxygen bond break by using of acid hydrolysis H3O plus. In acid hydrolysis, in the oxygen and magnesium bond break, both lone pair of electron move towards here. Both lone pair of electron then move towards here, or in the H3O plus dissociated form of H plus and OH minus. In H plus can combine with oxygen atom. OH minus can combine with magnesium atom to form of C6H5 CH2 OH. C6H5 CH2 OH plus magnesium valency 2. One valency set by Cl. Another one valency set by OH minus ion, OH, to form of a benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol primary alcohol. Because of functional group having the carbon atom, that carbon. The functional group carbon linked with another only one carbon. That's why that carbon can be called primary. The compounds were named as the primary alcohol. Benzyl alcohol one of the primary alcohol. Next one, secondary alcohol. The secondary alcohol can be prepared from the acetaldehyde. Grignard reagent of methyl magnesium chloride. Methyl magnesium chloride is a react with acetaldehyde. C double bond O, CH3 bond H. It is acetaldehyde. The methyl anion attack on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom. Carbon oxygen break. Both electron move towards the oxygen side. Gives CH3 bond C, CH3 O minus can combine with magnesium Cl, magnesium chloride. Then hydrogen. Magnesium, carbon, oxygen, then magnesium chloride. This compound otherwise called ADAT. ADAT followed by acid hydrolysis. ADAT followed by acid hydrolysis. The oxygen and magnesium bond break. Oxygen magnesium bond break. In the hydronium ion dissociated to form of H plus and OH minus ion. The H plus ion can combine with oxygen. OH minus ion can combine with magnesium to give CH3CH, then CH3 bond OH plus magnesium valency 2 plus. 1 plus valency said by OH. Another 1 plus valency said by Cl. It is a secondary alcohol because of functional group having the carbon atom linked with another 2 carbon. That's why in the center carbon were named as the secondary. The alcohol were named as the secondary alcohol is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol example of secondary alcohol. So secondary alcohol can be prepared from the acetaldehyde react with the Grignard reagent. Primary alcohol can be prepared from the formaldehyde react with the Grignard reagent. For formaldehyde react with the Grignard reagent to give the primary alcohol. Acetaldehyde react with the Grignard reagent to give the secondary alcohol. Next one, the tertiary alcohol can be prepared from the acetone. Acetone react with the alkyl and the Grignard reagent to give the tertiary alcohol. Preparation of tertiary alcohol. The tertiary alcohol can be prepared from the acetone react with the Grignard reagent. CH3, CH2 thrice, MgCl, N-butyl, totally 4 carbons are there. 1 methyl carbon, 3 methylene carbon, totally 4 carbons are there. So N-butyl magnesium chloride. The N-butyl magnesium chloride react with acetone. CH3, C, and then CH3 double bond O, acetone. The methylene carbon attack on the electron division, carbonyl carbon atom. Carbon oxygen break. Both lone pair of electron move towards the oxygen side to give form of ADAT. CH3, CH2 thrice, C, CH3, then CH3 bond O minus. The O minus can combine with magnesium chloride. It is ADAT. In the ADAT followed by acid hydrolysis, H3O plus. The H3O plus is a dissociate or decompose the oxygen magnesium bond. In the H plus can combine with the oxygen. In the OH minus ion can be combined with the magnesium to form of a tertiary alcohol. CH3, CH2 thrice, C, CH3, and then CH3 OH. Magnesium valency 2 plus. 1 plus valency said by OH. Another 1 plus valency said by Cl. It is a functional group. Functional group linked with the center carbon. The center carbon otherwise called functional group carbon. The functional group carbon linked with another 3 alkyl group known as a tertiary carbon. The alcohol, tertiary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. The next one, in the alcohol compound can be prepared from the ester. Ester, H bond C double bond O, O, C2H5 ethyl formate ester. C2H5 ethyl formate. The ethyl formate react with methyl magnesium chloride. Methyl magnesium chloride. The methyl group attack on the electron division carbonyl carbon atom. Carbon oxygen break. Both lone pair of electron move towards the oxygen side to give or formation of one kind of ADAT. CH3 bond C, hydrogen O minus can be combined with magnesium chloride, then O, C2H5. It is ADAT. ADAT decomposed with then water molecule or in ether medium. Oxygen magnesium bond break. Both lone pair of electron move towards here. Then carbon oxygen, alkoxide oxygen, carbon oxygen break. Both lone pair of electron move towards the oxygen side. So CH3, C double bond O, CH3, CHO, acetaldehyde. Then next one, magnesium valency 2 plus. 1 plus valency said by Cl. Another 1 plus valency said by in the O, C2H5 form of acetaldehyde. In the acetaldehyde compound further react with another 1 moles of Grignard reagent MgCl, CH3 MgCl to give ADAT. ADAT followed by acid hydrolysis form of a secondary alcohol CHOH bond CH3 plus magnesium Cl then OH. Ester react with the Grignard reagent to form of ADAT. ADAT decomposed in ether medium to form of acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde further react with another 1 moles of Grignard reagent to give the in the ADAT. ADAT followed by acid hydrolysis to form of then isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, secondary alcohol. So primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol can be prepared from the Grignard reagent. Next one, hydroboration. Hydroboration. In the hydroboration can be prepared from the propene. CH3 CH double bond CH2 is a propene. Propene react with diborane B2H6 in presence of THF tetrahydrofuran. Propene react with diborane in presence of solvent like a tetrahydrofuran to form of intermediate compounds of trialkyl borane CH3 CH2 CH2 thrice and then B trialkyl borane because of the 6 hydrogens are is ordered to CH carbon. Inge 6 moles are there, CH carbon, inge 2 moles are there, 2 into 3 equal to 6, 2 borane, 2 boron atom, so B2, the 6 hydrogen ordered to send 6 carbon, CH carbon to form of trialkyl borane, tri-N-propyl borane. The tri-N-propyl borane followed by decomposed with hydrogen peroxide H2O2 in presence of OH minus ion. The OH minus ion attack on the terminal methylene carbon to give N-propyl alcohol CH3 CH2 CH2OH plus H3 and then BO3 boric acid can be removed. N-propyl alcohol. In this reaction follow the anti-Markovnikov addition reaction. Anti-Markovnikov addition reaction because of in presence of hydrogen peroxide. What is the Markovnikov rule? What is the anti-Markovnikov rule? Negative part of the addendum attach itself carbon having less number of hydrogen known as a Markovnikov rule. Negative part of the addendum, that means called OH minus ion in presence of hydrogen peroxide or trifluoroperoxy acetic acid or trifluoro in the ethanoic acid or perbenzoic acid or peroxybenzoic acid or parachloroperoxybenzoic acid in presence of hydrogen peroxide, then Caros acid, peroxomonosulfuric acid, peroxodisulfuric acid, Marshall acid, peroxide linkage contain all compounds is used in anti-Markovnikov rule. So what is the meaning of anti-Markovnikov rule? In the negative part of the addendum, that means called OH minus ion. Negative part of the addendum attach itself carbon having highest number of hydrogen. CH and CH2, the negative part of the addendum OH minus ion attach on the CH double bond CH2. Between the two carbon, which carbon have highest number of hydrogen? The CH2 carbon have highest number of hydrogen. That's why OH group directly bonded with the CH2 carbon to form of a N-propyl alcohol. So Markovnikov rule in absence of hydrogen peroxide, anti-Markovnikov rule in presence of hydrogen peroxide or any other than peroxide compounds, the negative part of the addendum attach itself carbon having highest number of hydrogen known as a in the anti-Markovnikov compounds. Next one we are going to discuss about the in the reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde compounds. For example, CH3 CHO ketone, CH3 COCH3, benzoic acid, CCH5 COH, ethyl acetate, CH3 COO, CH2 CH3, unsaturated aldehyde, that means called cornaldehyde. For example, cornaldehyde, CH3 CH double bond CH bond in then CHO cornaldehyde. The compounds of aldehyde, ketone, acid in then ester, unsaturated aldehyde can be reduced to form of a alcohol by treated with lithium aluminic hydride. lithium aluminum hydride in water. Lithium aluminum hydride in water, lithium aluminum hydride in water, lithium aluminum hydride in water, lithium aluminum hydride in water. In the lithium aluminum hydride is specific reagent. It is used to reduce the C double bond O group can be converted to CHOH. Otherwise, C double bond O group of carboxylic acid or ester can be converted into CH2. So acetaldehyde is C double bond O group can be converted to CH2 to form of ethyl alcohol. CH3, CH2OH. Next one, acetone contain C double bond O can be converted into CH2, CH3, CO, CH3. Then in the carboxyl group of C double bond O can be converted to CH2. So C6, H5, CH2, then OH, CH2OH. In CH, OH, 1, CH3. Next one, the ester hydrolyzed by using water molecule. In hydrogen, in CH2 and hydrogen, totally 3 hydrogens are there. Totally, in the lithium aluminum hydride gives the totally 4 hydrogen. 1 hydrogen can combine with and then 1 oxygen. Another 3 hydrogen can be combined with C double bond O to give 2 moles of CH3, CH2OH, ethyl alcohol, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. Because of in C double bond O groups are there. 2 hydrogen can combine with carbonyl carbon. 1 hydrogen can be combined with carbonyl oxygen. So CH3, CH2OH. The next one, lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis is used to reduce the C double bond O group can be converted into CH2OH. So CH3, CH, double bond CH, 1 CH2OH. It is a crotonaldehyde. 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 It is a crotonal. Crotonal. It is aldehyde compound can be converted to all. In the lithium aluminum hydride, specific reagent does not reduce the carbon-carbon double as well as a carbon-carbon triple bonds. So carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon triple bond, unlike in the nickel, Rani nickel or nickel hydrogen, then sodium borohydride, sodium amalgam water. In the Rani nickel, hydrogen nickel, then hydrogen platinum, in the sodium amalgam water, which reduce the carbon-carbon double as well as a carbon-carbon triple bond. But lithium aluminum hydride is a powerful reducing agent. The powerful reducing agent does not reduce the carbon-carbon double as well as a carbon-carbon triple bond, only reduce the carbon-oxygen double bond or ester compounds. The carbon-oxygen double bond of aldehyde and ketone can be converted into CHOH. Ester and carboxylic acid group can be converted into CH2OH. It is a specific reagent. It is used for the or used to preparation of unsaturated alcohol also. If the compound contain 2 functional group, for example, CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, COO, CH2, CH3, it is a ester functional group, it is a ketone functional group. If the compound contain 2 functional group, this compound is a react with a less vigorous reagent like a sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride, less vigorous reagent. The less vigorous reagent, it is used to reduce the more active group of C double bond O only. The C double bond O group can be converted into CHOH. So CH3, CH, OH, then CH2, CH2, COO, CH2, CH3. The ester group cannot be reduced any other functional group. Only keto group reduced to form of a secondary alcohol. It is a secondary alcohol. It is this method is used to preparation of all alcohols, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol can be used to preparation of reduction of aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketone reduced to form of alcohol by treated with the specific reagent of lithium aluminum hydride. The lithium aluminum hydride does not reduce the carbon-carbon double or carbon-carbon triple bond, only reduce the carbon-oxygen double bond only. So this reagent is suitable for the preparation of a unsymmetric alkene alcohol also. Next one, in the glycol and glycerol can be prepared from ethene by using of a Peyer's reagent. CH2 double bond CH2, ethene, it is alkene, ethylene. இந்த ethylene react with Payes reagent. So what is the meaning of a Payes reagent? Cold dilute alkaline potassium permanganate solution known as a Payes reagent. Cold dilute alkaline potassium permanganate solution known as a Payes reagent. In the cold dilute alkaline potassium permanganate KMNO4, the solution gives the 1 moles of water molecule and 1 oxygen atom also. In the 1 moles of water can combine with 1 oxygen to form of a 2 OH group. The 2 OH group, 1 OH group attack on the 1 methylene carbon. Another OH group attack on the another methylene group to form of a dihydric alcohol. That means called a glycol. CH2OH, CH2OH, glycol, dihydric alcohol. This process otherwise called dihydroxylation process. Addition of 2 OH group 2 in the carbon-carbon double bond to form of a glycol by using of a Payes reagent. Payes reagent is nothing but cold dilute alkaline potassium permanganate solution known as a Payes reagent. 1 moles of cold dilute alkaline potassium permanganate gives the 1 moles of water molecule, then 1 moles of oxygen to gives the 2 moles of OH group. So dihydroxylation process to form of a glycol. Another one, the glycerol can be prepared from glyceryl triester or triglyceride, CH2OCOR, then CHOCOR, then CH2OCOR. In the RRR, R is nothing but it is the longest carbon chain of monocarboxylic acid known as a fatty acid alkyl group. RRR is nothing but it's the longest carbon chain of monocarboxylic acid known as a fatty acids. It is a fatty acids. For example, in the polymeric acid, stearic acid, oleic acid, C15H31COH, C17H33COOH, C17H35COOH. It is a polymeric acid. Polymeric acid, oleic acid is a stearic acid. Polymeric acid contains C15H31. Oleic acid contains C17H33. In then stearic acid contains C17H35. Polymeric acid contains C15H31. Oleic acid contains C17H33. In then stearic acid contains C17H35 equal to RRR. Then in the glyceryl triester, because of it is a ester functional group. The compound contains totally how many ester group? 3 ester groups are there. So glyceryl triester is a react with 3 moles of sodium hydroxide, NaOH. 3 moles of sodium hydroxide. The compounds are cleaved to form of a glycerol, CH2OH bond, CHOH bond, CH2OH plus in the RCOONA, the R value which is equal to C15H31 or C17H33 or in the C17H35. In the R equal to longest carbon chain of monocarboxylic acid known as a fatty acid. This RCONA or soap. This is a process otherwise called saponification process. In saponification process, the main product is the preparation of soap, and then glycerol as a byproduct. So glycerol as a byproduct, main product is soap. So glycerol triester is a hydrolyzed by sodium hydroxide to form of a glycerol and soap known as a saponification process. This is a process only preparation of alcohols. In the first one, again I will say, the first one is a nucleophile substitution reaction, the SN1, SN2. In the second one, Markovnikov addition reaction, or propene can be converted to alcohol. The third one, Grignard addition reaction. It means called nucleophilic addition of aldehyde and ketones. Primary formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone can be converted to in the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Another one, hydroporation process, follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. The next one, reduction of aldehyde and ketone by treated with lithium aluminum nitride is specific reagent, only reduce the carbon oxygen double bond, not reduce the then carbon double bond. In the next one, by using of a Payes reagent, alkene can be converted to ethylene glycol. Another one, in the glyceryl triester, it means called saponification process to form of a in then glycerol. Next one, physical properties. What is the physical properties of alcohol compounds? In the first one, less number of carbon atom contain alkyl group. less number of carbon atom contain alkyl groups are colorless liquid. Then higher number of carbon atom contain alkyl alcohols are is a waxy solid. So low number up to 9 carbon contain alcohols are colorless liquid. Then more than 9 carbon contain all alcohols are waxy solid. The boiling point of alcohol is higher than the boiling point of all alcohols are is higher than or greater than aldehyde, ketone, ester and hydrocarbon in comparable molecular mass because of is the easy association of intermolecular hydrogen bond. Lower members of alcohols are completely soluble in water molecule in all proportion. In the higher members of alcohols are is less soluble because of length of the carbon chain increases. In the capacity or reactivity with the water molecule it becomes decreases because of the length of the carbon chain increases, otherwise called hydrophobic group. Hydro means water, phobic means hatting. Water hatting group increases, water hatting group increases, solubility it becomes decreases. In isomeric alcohol, for example, N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, in the number of branching alkyl group increases, boiling point decreases, melting point increases. Number of branching alkyl group increases, boiling point decreases and melting point increases. So N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol, then tertiary butyl alcohol, length of the carbon chain increases, in the occupy the surface area increases, intermolecular force of attraction, dipole-dipole interaction, van der Waals force of attraction increases, so boiling point also increases. In isomeric alcohol of tertiary butyl alcohol occupy the less surface area because of the atom or molecule then better packed in crystal lattice, so the molecule occupy the less surface area, weak van der Waals force of attraction very low. No, that's why in the tertiary butyl alcohol has low boiling point, higher melting points. It is a physical properties of alcohols. Next one, chemical properties. In the chemical properties means in the alcohol compounds react with alkyl halides or alcohol compounds react with in the hydrogen chloride, phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus tribromide known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Another one is elimination reactions are there. Then Said-Sif rule, it is one of the chemical properties of alcohol. Then oxidation, dehydrogenation, esterification process, in the glycol chemical oxidation process, glycerol oxidation process all are in the chemical properties of alcohols.